Hey there, Michael Hyland, Doctor of Physical Therapy. You're watching the Parkinson's Minute. I want to talk to you briefly about freezing episodes. A freezing episode is where a person with Parkinson's is unable to take a step. The feet feel glued to the floor or frozen in place. So what to do about that? A few quick tips. You can imagine a line across the floor and step over it, or actually find an object like a cane or walker, place it in front of you on the floor and step over it. Devices like the U-step walker or the laser cane actually have a laser built in to create a line in front of you to step over. That's pretty cool. Another thing is to take high steps or marches with music, something with a beat, or even just to march in place. That can break you out of a freezing episode. They're definitely something that can cause a higher risk for falling, and it's really important. I hope those tips help. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Be empowered. Thanks for watching.